So just to, I don't want to continue to show how to find the equation, the line of best fit. For these next two videos, I'm really going to focus on the meaning and how you use the line of best fit. So here is your line of best fit. The weight expected, what we're trying to find here is the weight expected of a shark whose length is 75 inches. So you got to always look back. 75 in inches length, well, that's the x, that's the independent variable. So what we really want to find is the length of the shark, the weight of the shark, and the weight is the y. So the weight is the y, the x is the length. We want to find the weight when the shark has a length of 75 inches. So the numbers are given in inches, and so y of 75 is about. Now, since we're using the calculator, I need you to put that, y of 75. And using the calculator, you can go ahead and use the features here to not have to show all your work. So you type vars, y variables, function mode y1, and y1 of 75. Now, again, on the calculator, we have the y1 as the function, and same exact function as this. So the y on the paper is the y1 on the calculator. I want to keep that in mind. But since you're writing it on the paper, you write y of 75. On the calculator, you calculate it, and you get 170.62643. 170.64, about 170 pounds. About 170 pounds. Now, so I just realized that we're gonna, you're trying to predict the length of a sand shark that weighs 170 pounds. We just found the length of the sand shark to be about 75 inches. So well, we got lucky here, about 75 inches. And if we were gonna do that without realizing that, we would type in 170 pounds into the y2, and we would see where the two graphs cross. It's probably a helpful thing to do. Oh, I forgot. I have the window set for my last problem, so I want to go ahead and set the window to zoom 9. And zoom 9 gets me my first function, but the 170 may be a little bit too high, so I have to go into window and adjust that. Notice down here, the y max is 167, so I really want to have a y max that's higher than that. And so now I have a y max that's higher. And although now I can see both graphs, I don't see where they cross, so I need to scoot out to the right a little bit, and to do that I have to extend the x max. I have to go out further to the right. I'm going to go all the way out to 90. It didn't look like it was that far, so I think that might do it. So now I have my two graphs, and to figure out where they intersect, I'm going to hit second, calculate, intersect, and figure out the y value the x value that causes the y value to be 170. I only have two graphs input, so I'm going to hit enter, enter for my first two functions. Guess, my cursor is really close. And so again, it was 74.85. That's about what we found the weight to be. When the weight is 170, the height is about, the length is about 75. So 74.85, let's just do it like that. So that's 74.85 inches. Okay, so that takes care of number 3.